Hi everyone, look what I've got! I've been waiting so long to try this company. Welcome to the world of Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle and shine. Yes, I've been waiting so long to try these, but it's the cost that puts me off. And yeah, I have finally got a package all the way from our friends across the pond. This came in from New York City in the USA. And I'm going to get inside here. Apparently it's a box within a box. So I've got to open it sideways because the address is on there. So let's get in here. I can't believe it's going to be like... Are you ready? I saw this painting on Amazon, but I was like, I really want to try this company. And look, ta-da! Oh my God! Look at this. Oh my God, man. This is... I finally got it. Oh! I finally got a Diamond Dante painting. Oh, man. So their presentation is fantastic, as you can see. And this is a full round drill, and it is the Rainbow Rose. Really wanted to give them a go. Right, let's get in here. Now, my understanding is Diamond Paints with TM, Crafting with K, they've all told me that apparently you get a minder set in this. So let's have a look in here. Oh, mamma mia. I've never been so excited over a painting. The presentation is superb. Let's get into this, baby. Oh my God. I feel like I'm opening up a brand new iPhone. It's that special. OMG, look at this. Oh, Tessa, look, I've got the new kit. Oh my God, we've got a toolkit. This is, oh wow. I've never done this before, and this is, oh, look at that. What we got there. So that's a little bit of a sticker there. There's nothing else in the box. But let's take a look at this. Another reason why I wanted to try them is because of this fancy edge on the back. And, OMG. Oh my God. I'm so over the moon with this. Oh, wow. The quality feels amazing. Oh, my God. It's so clear. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look how clear that is on the symbols. That's going to be a really colourful one. This is lovely. It's a pour glue. You've got the logo there of the company. And it's really lovely canvas. You've got the lovely frilly bit at the edge. And you've also got... 35 colours there. Oh my God, it's a 32 times 32 centimetres. Beautiful painting. I'm not going to open all of these, but these are our colours. Oh, do you know what? Whatever. Let's open them. OMG. This is beautiful colours. Look at this. Oh, wow. They've even got the logo of the company on them. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Look, ABs, we've got some Aurelia Borealis, means that it's got a special iridescent coating on it. So when you put it next to a standard tree, it will give it a bit of a shine. So we have got some Aurelia Borealis. There's another one there. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the presentation in this. The way they've got the Diamond Art Club on it. And on the back is your DMC numbers, which look really, really fab. We've got some other colours coming up along here. So all lots of lovely colours. It's going to be a really, really colourful one, guys. And yeah, the wait is finally over for this fantastic company. The presentation is absolutely superb. I can't get over how nice that looks. So let's just put that over to one side because we have ourselves a little inventory chart here. We've also got a start date and an end date. And we've got some sort of sticker thing going on here. But that is a beautiful painting. As I said, I've got £10 off the first one. And we've got a little leaflet there to say thank you for your purchase. And you can actually download the app as well. I've actually got the app. But let's take a look in here. This is the best bit. The reason why I wanted to try this company out is because apparently they include a minder. And look at this. Apparently you get washi tape and as well. Oh my God. So we get a bag of baggies. Look at this. This is... You've got your money's worth here, guys. So your standard pen. You've got a lovely big thick bag of baggies. You've got yourself... Oh my God! Look at that! I've never had a tray like that before. It's got glitter in it. And it's a clear through. It feels like rubber. Oh, wow, baby. That looks so cool. We've got ourselves a squodgy. We have got... Oh my God, now you're talking. Look at that. I've never had a stopper before, but that goes in there to stop the jewels falling out. We've got ourselves some sexy washi tape there. That's absolutely beautiful. Nice and Christmassy there. We've got a couple of places, as you can see there. And we've got ourselves... Oh, yes. Yes, 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 guys. Look at that. Oh, my God. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Heart wax there. And most of all, look, we got a cover minder. Oh my God, that is so beautiful. Oh wow. Look, a lovely heart. Oh my God, that's beautiful. So yeah, what can I say about this company? It's 10 out of 10. The quality is amazing, absolutely fabulous. And look, I can't get over how clear that looks. The presentation of this canvas, the canvas is absolutely gorgeous. We've got some other symbols that I've not really used before, like this one here, number 3. This is absolutely over the moon. Oh my God. Guys, please, I know you're going to love it. Please, please, please shop with Diamond Art Club. They are fantastic. I am after the Joker, which is a whopping £70. So I might have to save for that. But this is a fabulous company, guys. You get all of that in with your kits. How cool is that? And look at the washi tape. It's so cool. Wow. I mean, it's definitely been well worth the wait. I paid DHL, so it's £17 and I can get it here within 5 days. But the service has been great. They shipped it like the day after. It's fantastic. What a fantastic company. The presentation of the box is superb. And that's what you want when you're buying from a company. You want good presentation. I hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you very soon, hopefully, for another unboxing for this lovely company. I say hopefully because I don't know when it's going to be the next time I order, because they're a bit pricey, this company. But yeah, anyway, I really, really love it. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.